Hi, my name is Lana and today is March 20th. This is week 3 video exercise for joints and movements dissection on a chicken wing. So as you can see, I have already skinned my chicken wing, and now I'm ready to explore the fascia and the joints. So now that I've already dissected off the skin, I'm going to look for fascia. Fascia is the connective tissue surrounding all of the muscles that hold it together. See, for example, that is the fascia right there. So what I'm going to do is carefully see if I can dissect it from the muscles. As you can see, the fascia is a very thin but not easily removed. So now that we have some of the fascia removed, we're just going to keep trying to take it away. So we can see the underlying parts. And there's an artery right there. As we're dissecting, you can see here is a ligament right here that connects this joint, which is technically the wrist, and the elbow. You can see how putting pressure creates flexion right here in the joint. Okay, flexion decreases the angle between two bones. So right here, it activates. Right now, it's activating the radius and the bicep, the tricep. No, I'm sorry, I was right, the bicep. Continue to try to separate the fascia. I think I have most of it gone. Most of it. Okay, so now we can see most of the major muscles in the chicken wing. So if you can see, here is the bicep, the tricep, and then underneath here, well, underneath here is the humerus. Here is a synovial joint, which is the elbow. If you can see, extension pulls at the entire wings. You can see how interconnected this is. So the bicep and tricep, work to lift and relax the lower arm, both of these here. So while tendon connects the muscles, you can actually see the tendon right here. It's thick and fibrous, white, and it connects muscle to bone. All right, difference from ligament is ligament connects right here, as you can tell. Right here. Connects bone and bone. You can also see additional ligaments here, and then muscle. We'll now be removing the tendons and muscle from the joint. Careful not to cut the ligament. As you can see here, here is another ligament that connects bone to bone. We're also going to cut away at the tendon. So we can look at the bone. So as you can see the way it moves, if you can see right here, that is the ligament. It connects the humerus and the radius together. And if you go underneath, that is the ulna right here. This bone that goes along here. So what makes this a synovial joint is the membrane. So as you can see, here is cartilage, and this is called articular capsule. Inside is filled with fluid that cushions the joint, so when it moves, it is a seamless movement. And it cushions the joint from wear and tear. Let's see. So here's another tendon here that I'm actually going to cut so we can look at the joint. Peel back the skin and carefully dissect to view the joint. Nope. It looks like I accidentally cut the ligament right here. connected. If you can see in between is the cartilage and the way it fits like a ball and socket. So when it moves, it's seamlessly, if you could feel the way this feels, it's very smooth in its transitions. You can see. And then again, you can see the ligament connecting the joint to a joint, so bone to bone. You can really visualize it here.